Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that help you feel confident and radiant every single day. Today, we're taking a closer look at a versatile makeup gem, the Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Cream in the shade Lillium. This little multitasker promises to add a natural flush to both your lips and cheeks with its sheer cream formula. Now, let's break down what you're actually getting. This cream comes in a compact, travel-friendly tube and is designed for all skin types. Its key appeal is the dual-purpose functionality. You can swipe it on your lips for a soft tint or blend it into your cheeks for a subtle, healthy glow. The texture is creamy but lightweight, allowing for easy layering without feeling sticky or heavy. As for the shade Lillium, it's a soft, rosy hue that's meant to enhance a natural complexion without being overpowering. Using it in my daily routine was straightforward. For my cheeks, I applied a small amount with my fingers and blended it gently, which gave a natural, dewy finish that lasted a few hours without fading unevenly. On my lips, it felt hydrating, gliding on smoothly, with a sheer wash of color that you can build up for more intensity. I also appreciated that it didn't settle into fine lines, which is often a concern with cream formulas. I'd say some of the standout qualities include the convenience of one product serving two purposes, the blendable and lightweight texture, and the natural, fresh-looking finish. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a bold, opaque lip, this might feel a little understated, and for very oily skin, you might need to reapply on the cheeks after a few hours to maintain that glow. When it comes to value for money, Stila is positioned in the mid-range category, and I think this product justifies the price if you appreciate multifunctional items that save space in your makeup bag. Compared to other dual lip and cheek products, Stila's formula is creamier and more blendable than some powder-based alternatives, and the finish leans more natural and dewy rather than matte, which sets it apart. The packaging feels sturdy and travel-ready, and the product itself has a good shelf life typical for cream makeup, so you can expect it to last through regular use without issues. While I haven't needed to contact customer service, Stila generally has a solid reputation for support, which adds a layer of reassurance when buying. If you're looking for alternatives, NYX's Cream Blush or the ELF Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Tint offer similar multifunctional benefits at a slightly lower price point, though I'd say the blendability and finish of Stila still give it an edge. Overall, the Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Cream in Lillium is a reliable, versatile addition to any makeup routine. It delivers a natural flush with a cream formula that feels luxurious yet easy to wear. I'd recommend it to anyone who values multifunctional products and a soft, fresh-faced look. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.